Hello friends, in this video we are going to see gate problem from the topic pipe network. Let's start. As per the given question in GATE 2017 Civil Engineering, Set 1, question number 23 for 1 mark. A triangular pipe network is shown in the figure. So ABC is the pipe network you can see here, a loop ABC. Q is equal to 100 here, R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, and discharge here is equal to 70 and 30. The head loss in each pipe is given by HF is equal to R Q to the power 1.8. This is the given data. We'll write head loss is a function of R Q to the power of 1.8. With the variables expressed in a consistent set of units, the value of R for AB is 1. The value for R is 1, and for the pipe BC is 2. The value of R for pipe BC is 2. If the discharge supplied at the point A is 100, is equally divided between the pipe AB and AC. Okay, so we'll divide the flow equally between pipe AB and AC. So Q is 100, so 50 will go through the pipe AB and 50 will go through the pipe AC, correct? The value of R up to 2 decimal places for the pipe AC is, we have to find the value of R for this pipe AC. This is the question. So we know the concept that head loss round each loop must be equal to 0. Head loss round each loop must be equal to 0. This is the concept. So first of all, we'll apply the continuity equation. So 100 is coming here, so divided into AB and AC equally 50-50, that's correct. And from 50, 30 is going in this direction, so definitely as per the continuity equation, 50 minus 30, 20 should go in this direction, and the R is 2 for this pipe BC, correct? So 20 is coming in this direction and 50 is coming from this pipe. 50 plus 20 is 70, and it will come out, right? So that's correct. Continuity equation is verified. And also you know the direction. So direction is total head loss around each loop must be 0. That is, look at this, these two will give you the anti-clockwise. These two pipe AB and CB is in the direction of anti-clockwise, so it is negative, and AB will be giving you the positive, correct? So one must be negative, so that the total summation around the head loss, total summation of head loss around each loop must be equal to 0. So sigma R into, so because head loss is a function of R Q to the power n, so I will write sigma R Q to the power n equal to 0. Algebraic summation, taking the sign into account. So first of all, we'll take the pipe AB. So look at the sign, it is plus, so I'll write 1, R is 1 into R is then Q is 50 to the power of n is 1.8. Then for the pipe AC we'll take, so AC it is anti-clockwise direction, so minus 2, AC or CB both you can take. So let us take the BC first. Okay, so for this BC, R is minus 2 because it is in anti-clockwise direction. You can see the direction of AC and CB, it is like this, these two arrow marks. So minus 2 into Q is 20 here to the power of n is 1.8. Again minus for the pipe AC, where R value is, we have to find R into 50 to the power of 1.8 equal to 0. So from this equation, R into 50 to the power of 1.8 is coming equal to 703.0 0.84. So from this you can calculate R, which is coming equal to 0.62. The final answer for the value of R for the pipe AC, correct? AC, we have to find the value of R for the pipe AC is your 0.62 is the answer here. Okay, thank you.